Hello. In this video, we will introduce Python's function called glob.glob. So this function is widely used for extract a list of file names on your computer. So this function will search the system and find all the path names matching a specified pattern. And you can use wildcard rules, and the result will be a list for all the files. Then, for example, we can use asterisk star for 0 or more characters in a single directory level. And for the question mark, matches exactly one character. And we can also use bracket, then inside is a sequence, for example, a range between 0 to 9 to represent this 10 number, and double asterisk represent all directories, subdirectories, and files. Then we go to Python IDE to show several examples. Then first we import glob. Then, for example, glob.glob, then inside parentheses in asterisk.txt. So this will return a list of file names like data.txt, notes.txt in a working directory. And for example, next we can return a list of CSV files across all the subdirectories. Then you can use glob.glob. Then, for example, data, and the subdirectory represented with double asterisk. Then with all the file with extension CSV. And next, for example, we can return a list of JPG files. So file 1, file 2, but not file 10. Then we can use glob.glob file underscore, then a bracket 0 to 9 represents only one number between 0 to 9, including 0 and 9. So all the files for the JPG 1 to 9 will be returned. And you can also use a question mark to represent only one character. So log A txt, log B txt all match this rule. So we can use glob.glob, then inside the parentheses log underscore question mark .txt. So log A and log B, log C, log D will be returned in a list. So these examples, we do not have files ready. So next example, we have files. So we set a working directory. Then import glob. Say we want to find all the files, the file type called MHD, and under this location, we'll find the files with this ID number, long ID number. This is a CT data. So we can use glob.glob. Then this is the working directory. Then we use subset star, which means subset because there are more than one subset, 1, 2, 3, 4, but we do not care which is subset. Or maybe this file starting with this ID number and with the extension MHD will have multiple instances in different subsets, but we do not care. So the result will be returned in a list if we find more than one with the same name. So this brace is for string parsing. So the parsing value after format is ID, long ID, will be passed to this position. So this file will be found in and returned in a list. It is done. Then we show. So this is a list. Actually, this is only one file under subset 0, right? So we can show this item using the list's first element. So this is the very basics of using glob.glob. Thanks for watching.